Have you ever wondered what are some of the most amazing all-terrain vehicles that you haven't seen yet? All-terrain vehicles, or ATVs, are the epitome of rugged mobility. Built for tackling any environment that Mother Nature can throw at them. They're not just for adventurers and thrill seekers, but also for those who value versatility and resilience in their ride. Today we're about to discover some unique and impressive models that will surely pique your curiosity. Ready to explore the world of extreme mobility? Hold on tight, as we delve into the list of amazing all-terrain vehicles you probably haven't seen yet. First on our list is the GFG Style Kangaroo, an Italian-designed hyper SUV. Now, the GFG Style Kangaroo is no ordinary vehicle. It's a hyper SUV that dares to redefine the boundaries of what an all-terrain vehicle can be. Let's start with its speed. The Kangaroo is a beast on wheels, powered by two electric motors that deliver a combined output of nearly 500 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 3.8 seconds. The Kangaroo doesn't just hop, it leaps forward with a speed that leaves many traditional SUVs in the dust. Next, we have its design. The GFG Style Kangaroo is a marvel of Italian design aesthetics, blending sleek contours with a muscular stance. The result is a vehicle that looks just as good zipping along a highway as it does conquering a mountain trail. Its high ground clearance and large wheel arches, combined with a futuristic body design, make it a sight to behold. Then there's the adaptability. The Kangaroo is a chameleon on wheels, capable of adjusting to a variety of terrains. Whether you're driving on a smooth tarmac, a rocky trail, or a snowy path, the Kangaroo's advanced suspension system and all-wheel drive capability ensure a smooth and controlled ride. And let's not forget its ability to handle a variety of terrains. Its adjustable ride height and advanced shock absorption system allow it to tackle steep slopes, rocky terrains, and even water crossings with ease. The Kangaroo is truly a vehicle that's built for all seasons and all terrains. All these features come together to create a vehicle that's more than just a means of transportation. It's a statement, a testament to the power of innovative design and cutting-edge technology. It's a vehicle that doesn't just traverse terrains but conquers them with style and finesse. With its futuristic design and impressive performance, the GFG Style Kangaroo is redefining what an all-terrain vehicle can be. With the Kangaroo, GFG Style has not only created an amazing all-terrain vehicle, but also shaped the future of automotive design. Next up, we have the BVS-10 ATV, a rugged, reliable vehicle built for the toughest terrains. This exceptional machine is not just an all-terrain vehicle, it's an all-terrain beast. Its strength lies in its power and durability, designed to withstand the harshest conditions while providing excellent mobility across diverse landscapes. Let's start with its capabilities. The BVS-10 ATV is a marvel of engineering that combines power and versatility in a compact and robust package. Its twin-cab design enables it to carry up to 14 people or a substantial payload, making it a reliable workhorse in the most challenging environments. Equipped with robust tracks and high ground clearance, the BVS-10 ATV can effortlessly traverse snow, mud, sand, and even steep slopes. This vehicle doesn't just travel over rough terrain, it dominates it. But that's not all. The BVS-10 ATV's robustness extends to its resilience under extreme conditions. From Arctic cold to desert heat, this vehicle is built to endure. Its sealed body ensures it remains watertight, even in deep water or heavy rain, making it a go-to vehicle for rescue missions in flooded areas. The BVS-10 ATV is not just a vehicle, it's a lifeline. In addition to its robustness and versatility, the BVS-10 ATV has also proven its mettle in military operations. Its advanced armor protection and superior mobility make it an invaluable asset on the battlefield. Its ability to traverse difficult terrains that would be impassable for other vehicles gives it a strategic advantage, enabling it to reach remote areas swiftly and safely. In essence, the BVS-10 ATV embodies the spirit of resilience and strength. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about conquering the journey, no matter how tough the road or how challenging the conditions. It's about the thrill of adventure and the satisfaction of overcoming obstacles. The BVS-10 ATV is proof that strength and resilience are key in conquering any terrain. This vehicle doesn't just endure the elements, it thrives in them. It's not just an all-terrain vehicle, it's an all-conquering beast. Now, let's talk about the ATV Shaman, a Russian-made vehicle that's as versatile as it is robust. Imagine a vehicle that's not limited by the typical constraints of terrain or even the elements. Picture a machine that laughs in the face of muddy slopes, snowy tundra, and even the rippling waves of a lake. That's the ATV Shaman for you, a force to be reckoned with, one that doesn't just conquer terrains but masters them. At the heart of the Shaman's power is its 8-wheel drive. Much like the mighty octopus, this vehicle uses its 8 legs to move with agility and purpose, unfazed by what lies beneath. Each wheel works independently, allowing for precise control and maneuverability. Whether it's navigating a rocky outcrop or gliding over sandy dunes, the Shaman handles it all with remarkable ease. But it doesn't stop there. The ATV Shaman breaks the boundaries between land and water with its amphibious capabilities. Yes, you heard it right. This vehicle can swim. With a hermetic boat-formed frame and high-performance screw propellers, it transitions from land to water seamlessly. It's as comfortable on a lake as it is on a mountain trail, making it a truly all-terrain vehicle. And there's no need to travel alone. The ATV Shaman comfortably accommodates up to 12 passengers, whether it's a group of adventure seekers exploring uncharted territories or a rescue team on a life-saving mission. The Shaman ensures everyone travels in safety and style. Its spacious interior, coupled with robust construction, provides the perfect blend of comfort and durability. In essence, the ATV Shaman is a testament to human ingenuity, combining power, versatility, and robustness in one extraordinary package. It challenges the norms of what a vehicle can do, pushing the boundaries of exploration and adventure. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a symbol of limitless possibilities. From land to water, the ATV Shaman is truly a master of all terrains. Moving on, we have the Bronco ATTC, a highly versatile vehicle designed for both military and civilian use. In the world of all-terrain vehicles, there are few that can match the prowess of the Bronco ATTC. This beast is a marvel of engineering born out of the need for a vehicle that can take on the harshest terrains while providing utmost safety and comfort to its occupants. One of the standout features of the Bronco ATTC is its unique twin-cab design. This revolutionary concept allows for a significant increase in passenger capacity, providing ample space for up to 14 occupants. This makes the Bronco ATTC an excellent choice for large groups on adventurous expeditions or for military personnel on critical missions, but that's not all. Under the hood, the Bronco ATTC is just as impressive. It houses a powerful engine that can generate an astonishing amount of torque. This allows the vehicle to traverse even the most challenging terrains with relative ease. Whether it's a steep mountain pass, a dense jungle, or a snow-covered landscape, the Bronco ATTC tackles it all with an air of dominance. And when it comes to extreme weather conditions, the Bronco ATTC shines. It's been designed to operate in temperatures ranging from the scorching heat of the desert to the freezing cold of the Arctic. This ability to withstand and operate in extreme weather conditions is what sets the Bronco ATTC apart from its competitors. However, what truly makes the Bronco ATTC a remarkable all-terrain vehicle is its adaptability. It can be equipped with various modules to suit different purposes, from search and rescue operations to troop transportation. This adaptability, coupled with its robust design and powerful performance, makes the Bronco ATTC a formidable player in the all-terrain vehicle industry. The Bronco ATTC is a testament to the power of innovation in all-terrain vehicle design. A vehicle that's not just built to conquer terrains but also to redefine the very concept of an all-terrain vehicle. It's a marvel that combines power, versatility, and innovation in one formidable package. The Bronco ATC, ladies and gentlemen, is truly in a league of its own. Finally, we have the BURAN armored vehicle, a formidable all-terrain vehicle with a focus on security and defense. The BURAN is not your ordinary ATV. This powerhouse is outfitted with state-of-the-art armor protection, shielding occupants from both ballistic and blast threats. But don't think for a second it's a slow, lumbering beast. Quite the contrary, its powerful engine gives it the thrust needed to conquer any landscape, be it steep hills, rocky terrains, or even water bodies. This vehicle is a testament to what engineering can achieve when security is a priority. Its robust construction allows it to navigate through a wide range of challenging terrains, never compromising on the safety of its passengers. It's more than just an armored vehicle. It's a symbol of resilience, strength, and the audacity to tackle the most formidable terrains. The BURAN armored vehicle shows us that safety and performance can go hand in hand in all-terrain vehicle design. So there you have it, a list of some of the most amazing all-terrain vehicles that you may not have seen yet. These vehicles showcase the incredible innovation and versatility in the world of all-terrain vehicles. Who knows what incredible designs we'll see next? Until then, keep exploring and stay adventurous.